So yeah, um, before I before I buy this Xbox, I want to do a 30-day challenge, which is basically, you know, um, I have 30 days to um rebuild, NFL teams and NBA teams. Um, knowing that, seeing that I have 2K 18, 14, and 15, and then I have Madden 17, and I have Madden 11. It's gonna probably take me 90 days, 90 days to finish everything. So I have 90 days to try to win as much championships with every team, whether I win or I fail. It's just 90 days before I buy the Xbox. So yeah, so stay tuned for that. Um, so yeah, I really do need a haircut. I just wanted to see if my hair is gonna grow out. My hair grows fast, but it doesn't grow fast. Anyways, yeah. So I got 90 days to rebuild every single team, whether it's Madden or the NFL. And then when I'm doing that, once I'm done with that, then I basically, yeah, I basically move on from the PlayStation because right now I only have like a whole bunch of you know other games, wrestling. Um, I still need to finish, God of War, all three of them, and I still need to do Ascensions. And then after that, I'm pretty much done with the PlayStation. Um, so yeah.